Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to Podcastage 2. Today I am going to be testing out the AU-EMAC Sabrent USB sound card. So here's a quick view of the USB sound card. It does have an aluminum chassis, but both ends are enclosed by plastic. It does feel pretty nice though. I did test out the headphone port on this and then compared that audio to plugging my headphones directly into my computer, and I heard no difference. So if you're using just standard headphones, I think you should have no problem with this USB adapter. And here is the voltage test showing you that when we plug directly into the USB sound card, we get about 2.99 or 3 volts going to the microphone. Okay, so now you can see my sound preferences up on the screen. Currently, my input gain is set at 100%. I will go ahead and drop it down to 0% and slowly increase it so you can hear what kind of background noise this thing generates. Okay, now I have plugged the microphone into a phantom power supply and then the phantom power supply into the AU-EMAC Sabrent sound card, and you can tell that my input gain has dropped to around 30, maybe 35%. So if you are worried about background noise, or if you think that the microphone is simply not loud enough when you plug directly into it, this is what it sounds like when you add phantom power to it, and I'll go ahead and be quiet so you can hear a little bit of the background noise at this gain setting. Okay, now I have plugged in the Pyle Pd Mic 58, which is a dynamic microphone and requires 0 voltage to function. My microphone input gain still has to be set at 100%, but I wanted to give you an idea of how this microphone sounds using this sound card and an XLR to 3.5mm jack. So in conclusion, it's a decent sound card, but just like every other sound card that I've come across recently, it does not provide enough power to make an electret condenser microphone work well on its own. If you're going to be using an electret condenser microphone like the NW800, which is what I've been using for this video, I highly 199% recommend investing in a phantom power supply because that provides sufficient voltage to the microphone to work. So if you're buying an electret condenser microphone and a USB sound card, get a phantom power supply. If you're going to be using a dynamic microphone, I don't think I can recommend this sound card because the voltage really does nothing. You still have to set your gain at 100%, so that just means you're going to be battling background noise against the sound of the microphone. I would much rather recommend an XLR to USB cable because those just seem to perform a little bit better when using dynamic microphones. Alright, well that will do it. If you found this useful, give me a thumbs up. If you thought it sucked, give me a thumbs down. If you want more of these very specific videos, subscribe by clicking the logo in the corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the main channel, which is just youtube.com/podcastage. And if you are interested in the sound card or the phantom power supply, I will put links to both of those in the description down below. And I think that will do it. Oh, if you have any more questions or you want me to test out any microphones on this sound card, leave that request in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. And that'll do it. See you guys later. Bye.